Dogecoin value equivalent to $0.0748 a coin. The present exchange cost range, 0.0716-0.0758 incredibly. The earlier day close, 0.0727, which most certainly is very critical. The change was plus 0.0021, plus 2.89% in an unpretentious way. Opposite rate, USD to Doge, or so they truly thought. Dogecoin value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month in an unpretentious manner. Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday. Walk, 20, cost $0.076. Certainly greatest 0.081, genuinely least 0.071, in spite of mainstream thinking. Dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday. Walk, 21, cost $0.071. All things considered, greatest 0.076, genuinely least 0.066 in an especially significant way. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday. Walk, 22, cost $0.073. Fundamentally greatest 0.078, least 0.068, which is very huge. Dogecoin estimate on Thursday. Walk, 23, cost $0.075. Greatest 0.080, truly least 0.070, which for the most part is genuinely huge. In multi-week Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday. Walk, 24, cost $0.080, greatest 0.086, certainly least 0.074, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Dogecoin conjecture on Monday. Walk, 27, cost $0.080. By and large most extreme 0.086, certainly least 0.074, which truly shows that the change especially was plus 0.0021, plus 2.89%, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday. Walk, 28, cost $0.082. For the most part greatest 0.088, truly least 0.076, which truly is very critical. Dogecoin gauge on Wednesday. Walk, 29, cost $0.075. Kind of greatest 0.080, most certainly least 0.070, which is very huge. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday. Walk, 30, cost $0.072. Lovely most extreme 0.077, in every way that really matters, least 0.067 in an unobtrusive way. In about 14 days Dogecoin gauge on Friday. Walk, 31, cost $0.071, sort of greatest 0.076, essentially least 0.066, showing how Dogecoin conjecture on Wednesday. Walk, 29, cost $0.075, exceptionally most extreme 0.080, certainly least 0.070, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday. April 3, cost $0.072, especially greatest 0.077, genuinely least 0.067, which basically is very critical. Dogecoin figure on Tuesday. April 4, cost $0.072, in every practical sense, most extreme 0.077, by and large least 0.067, or so they truly thought. Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday. April 5, cost $0.070, genuinely greatest 0.075, by and large least 0.065, which basically is very critical. Dogecoin figure on Thursday. April 6, cost $0.067, truly most extreme 0.072, genuinely least 0.062, so Dogecoin gauge on Thursday. Walk, 23, cost $0.075, genuinely greatest 0.080, in every practical sense, least 0.070, which truly is very critical. In 3 weeks Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday. April 7, cost $0.066, in every practical sense, most extreme 0.071, genuinely least 0.061 in a kind of large manner. Dogecoin figure on Monday. April 10, cost $0.067, genuinely most extreme 0.072, sort of least 0.062, kind of additional appearance how today. Exchange cost range, 0.0716-0.0758, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday. April 11, cost $0.065, fundamentally greatest 0.070, sort of least 0.060, showing how Dogecoin estimate on Monday. Walk 27, cost $0.080, sort of greatest 0.086, truly least 0.074, which truly shows that the change explicitly was plus 0.0021, plus 2.89%, which generally is genuinely huge. Dogecoin conjecture on Wednesday, April 12, cost $0.066, really most extreme 0.071, by and large least 0.061 in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, April 13, cost $0.067, genuinely most extreme 0.072, truly least 0.062 in an unobtrusive way. In about a month, Dogecoin conjecture on Friday, April 14, cost $0.066, really most extreme 0.071, especially least 0.061 in a genuinely significant way. Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, April 17, cost $0.064, especially most extreme 0.068, genuinely least 0.060 in a huge way. Dogecoin estimate on Tuesday, April 18, cost $0.063, most certainly greatest 0.067, really least 0.059, which truly is very critical. USD to Doge conversion standard fundamentally equivalent to 13.3618 coins per $1, which certainly shows that Dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday, April 18, cost $0.063, in every practical sense, greatest 0.067, really least 0.059 in an unobtrusive way. Today, S-reach 131926139606 in an unobtrusive way. The past day, S-nearby 13.7571 in an essentially significant way. Change for now 0.3953, 2.87%, in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. USD to Doge cost figure for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Dollar to Dogecoin figure on Monday. Walk 20, cost 13.158 coins, lovely greatest 14.085, fundamentally least 12.346. Further appearance how in 3 weeks Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, April 7, cost $0.066, beautiful most extreme 0.071, certainly least 0.061 in an unobtrusive way. USD to Doge expectation on Tuesday. Walk 21, cost 14.085 coins, lovely greatest 15.152, genuinely least 13.158. Most certainly further appearance how in about 14 days Dogecoin figure on Friday. Walk 31, cost $0.071, truly most extreme 0.076, truly least 0.066, showing how Dogecoin gauge on Wednesday. Walk 29, cost $0.075, exceptionally greatest 0.080, fundamentally least 0.070 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture on Wednesday. Walk 22, cost 13.699 coins, genuinely greatest 14.706, kind of least 12.821, exhibiting how Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday. Walk 22, cost $0.073, all things considered, most extreme 0.078, certainly least 0.068 in a